Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavad Pranam Prabhu. Prabhu, you told Mayavadis, like some of the institution, they follow only Guru. They follow only spiritual master.
They follow.
Like they consider only spiritual master, like not the God. In Vaishnava philosophy also, like we mostly consider spiritual master, like we accept a spiritual master as good as God. But you told we should go beyond the Guru. So can you explain that term once?
Guru and Shishya. We consider I am an eternal Shishya of Guru. Because Guru soul is eternal, I am eternal. So I have a relationship. Correct? So there is the eternal individuality of mine and eternal individuality of Guru. So my devotion to my Guru is eternal. It's an eternal relationship. In Mayada philosophy, the Guru, Shishya, all these things you have to follow. You have to take Diksha, you have to follow, you have to have devotion to your Guru, everything they say. So that ultimately, it's an exercise for them. Ultimately, if you think that, I am eternally devoted to my Guru, you will still not come out of Maya. You have to understand that I am the Guru. The Guru is saying, if Guru thinks that there is Bhagavan, then he is not self-realized. The Guru has to realize that I am Bhagavan. So first step for a Shishya is to think that I am Guru. Means that Atma. There is no difference in that. Bodily differences are there, Guru, Shishya, all these body differences are there. Go to the Atma of Guru, go to the Atma of Shishya, according to them, both are one. You worshipping God, God is a spirit. Okay, they accept spirit as different from matter, that's all. The only right thing they are doing is there is something called spirit beyond matter, which Buddhists don't even. Buddhist is super atheism. The Mayavada school of thought is covered atheism. That's why they have worship and this and all those things. All the Devata worship, Panchopasana they have. Every grahastha has to do yajna, every grahastha has to do daily all these pujas. These are all, in the Vedas, they follow all those things very strictly. But ultimately, there is no you, there is no me, there is no God, but there is one that is impersonal. What is that? Why don't you describe what is that? No, it is indescribable. Therefore, it is called Nirguna Brahman. If there is a guna, then it is within the Maya. So, you want to learn what is Mayavada philosophy, you should read Chaitanya Charitamrita first, the first volume. You read that. So, as Vaishnava preachers, we should know what is Mayavada philosophy. But don't learn from them. Learn from Prabhupada. Nicely Khandana he does in the Bhaktivedanta purports. 10 pages, 15 pages purports are there, defeating Mayavadas.